Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jackie. I love to do makeup tutorials, home decor, a little fashion inspo, hauls. And I'm in the city. I'm at my dad's. Just got here a few minutes ago. I had to work today, so that's why I'm dressed up. I'm making the egg omelet in the muffin tins. I wanted my dad to try it. I bring some of the little tissue things. I didn't want to bring the silicone ones. And I got the jar so we can do the overnight oats. I don't know if you can tell. I have those half lashes that I picked up from Temu. I like how it looks. And since I got my nails done, you know I don't know how to act. So the eggs are done. We're going to see how they look. All right. We did a little compra. So I seen this video on TikTok doing oxtail. So we got 6 packs, but they look $10. Like, that's a ripoff. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I got the peppers that I need. I got cilantro, the red onion that I'm gonna need, lemon and limes. But I think it was this she used to clean it, not really on the meat. So I got lemon juice that I'll use to clean it all. I'm gonna make it in the morning, but I wanted to show you guys, you know, because tomorrow morning I'm gonna look a hot mess. So we got that. And I wanted to do a cooking video because I've been saying I'm gonna do cooking. This is not really healthy because I don't think oxtail is healthy, but we're gonna be doing it in the oven. And I hope it's as nice and tender like when you do it on the stove top. So yeah, so tomorrow morning we gonna make this. So this will be enough for them for at least 3-4 days. And then we're gonna do the overnight oats for tomorrow. So yeah, I think right now I'm gonna eat some wings, just wings, and then hang out with my dad, my sister, have a little conversation, you know. I feel like I'm missing something. I think I have everything else because you're gonna need the oxtail, garlic, peppers, adobo, sofrito, pepper, tomato sauce. She used paste, but I'm gonna use tomato sauce, soy sauce, and whatever oil. And then I'm gonna put it in the tray, bake it 2.5 hours, and then uncovered for 30 minutes. So, and then I'll make some rice. Yeah, so I'll see you guys probably in the morning. Okay, so I already washed the oxtail with lemon juice. I don't really like doing vinegar, so I did lemon juice. I did 3 washes on them. I was gonna cut some of the fat off. My sister was like, no, leave it, that's where all the, you know, ingredients are gonna be, all the flavor. So I left it for her. So I'm just spreading it out. I got the 6 packs that I showed you guys, which I think it's over 3 pounds. I don't know how much it is, but it was a big tray. So the ingredients came from a TikTok video I saw, and it was garlic paste, but I used garlic chopped up. I don't know, as much as you like for flavor. And then I threw in the juice because I was already done with that pack, that little container of garlic. Then it was black pepper. I'm not really a fan of pepper, but I did put, a significant amount because it was a lot of meat. Then it was oregano, but I had the powder, not the actual flakes. So I didn't do too much because I felt like that was kind of strong. But enough to coat. And then I told my sister the ingredients to pick up. She picked up this sofrito. I wanted the green one, but you do what you do. So it's about 2 or 3 spoonsful. I just emptied what was left in there because I used some of it on the rice. And then the next ingredient was sazon, adobo. So I use the adobo Goya. I use the sazon with achote for the redness. You're gonna have to put some kind of oil on it. The video that I had seen, she used saffron oil. I just use regular olive oil. I used 2 packs of the Goya sazon with achote. She used tomato paste. I used this no salt tomato sauce. I feel like it's pretty much the same. You don't have to go with the paste. Then you're gonna mix it all up, and look how beautiful those colors blend. That alone looks so good. I was just like, oh, I can't wait. It smelled amazing. So mix it all up. You want to make sure every piece is coated. There was a lot of pieces in here, so I want to make sure that every single one was coated. And then it called for soy sauce, so we added soy sauce. And I don't know for what the soy sauce was, but we added it in. I didn't want to change too much of the ingredients that I had seen on this TikTok video. I'm going to add her link down below, and then I'm going to post the name towards the end so you can see. Then I added the oil, the olive oil. I think it's just for, to coat it, make sure that everything sticks to it. And then once you move it all up, you mix it all up, you're gonna need to chop a red pepper. She went with peppers. I said red pepper. I did a green pepper, red onion. I don't really like red onion. I prefer a white one, but my sister wanted the red. And cilantro. I took a big chunk of it, chopped it small, and mixed it all in. Here is how it looked after everything was chopped. Just mix it all, throw it all in. The onions had me crying because it always does. But again, mix it all up together. Make sure everything is coated with something. And again, it just looked so nice. I was like, oh God, I can't wait to eat these. So I mixed it all up, and then she said to add 1 cup of water. I felt like maybe I could have did 2 cups because it was a big tray, just to cover everything. But I knew that the meat was going to sweat on its own anyways, like the fat. So we went with 1 cup. But I would do 2 the next time I did it. That's how it looks. Yes. Then you're going to cover it up, and you're going to preheat your oven. You're going to put it in for 325 for 2.5 hours covered. And look how beautiful this looks. It smells amazing. So that was 2.5 hours at 325. I'm uncovering it and doing another 30 minutes, which is what it said. And we gonna eat. I already have some rice, some beans. They're ready to go.